So, kind of where do you come from?
From Pakistan.
From Pakistan. Your name?
My name is Aman Khan.
Okay. So, before you come to China, so what kind of business do you know?
I come here
For construction business.
for construction business, for construction machinery I want to buy.
Okay. Thank you. So, how many times have you been to China?
This is my first chance.
The first. Okay, so before you come to China, I think you have compared a lot of factories about this machine. So why do you choose us as your supplier?
Because quality is also good and price
Yeah.
too good
Okay.
than other
Okay.
companies.
Okay, thank you. So after you see your machine, what do you think about it?
I think this is a very interest for Pakistan, this machinery. And
Yeah.
it's a new, this is a new generation of construction
In Pakistan, right?
in Pakistan.
We also hope you can use this machine to expand Pakistan market in your local.
Yes. I think anyone once know about this product, they will take with interest
Okay.
in this.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.